Books are a gateway to a whole new world, but who really has the time to sit and read anymore? You'd rather listen to something on the go instead, right? That's exactly why audiobooks are one of the hottest things on the internet right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Hustle. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can make money on Audible. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button below. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button at the end. Now, let's make some money. Audible offers its users an extensive range of audiobooks and podcasts to choose from. As a creator, one extremely important thing to keep in mind is the quality of your product. Sure, this applies to literally anything you do, but when it comes to Audible, it's pretty much necessary if you want to even be considered as a creator. The real money lies in royalties. Audible sure is the biggest platform in the market and offers so much more content as compared to the other platforms like Google Play or iTunes, but the royalty percentage on Audible isn't really the best out there. However, with a little help from us, you can make a really good, stable income as a creator. Just like any business, it might take some time for you to see these results, but hey, you know what they say, when it rains, it pours. First, become a creator. Audible is very creator-friendly as it is a self-publishing platform. All you need to do is to join the Audiobook Creation Exchange. There's a simple workshop that allows you to create your own audiobook and add it to the vast Audible library. Yes, it's as simple as it sounds. It's literally just filling out a form and sharing a sound quality check, and then claiming your book. Record and upload your files and you're pretty set. Speaking of how simple the process is and how creator-friendly the platform is, creating your own content is one way to make money off Audible. If you are not a writer yourself or do not have the time to write books on a regular basis, you can always hire someone to write for you. There are several apps online that help you find ghostwriters. Fiverr, Upwork, ProBlogger are just some examples of such apps. This is only an option when you do not have the time but have the money to invest. The best thing is that there's a market for literally any topic under the sun. You don't have to necessarily write fiction and be the next big thing. For example, if you work out a lot and have a ton of knowledge on fitness, you can write a book about diets to follow when you're bulking. Just Google the right keywords to use before finalizing your title. Then, all you need to do is to record it and put on an attractive cover. When you record it, there are a bunch of things you need to keep in mind, like clarity of your voice, canceling out the background noise, and being articulate. Preferably use a mic. You can get a pretty reasonable one on Amazon or even eBay. You can also get a voiceover artist to record for you if you don't mind spending some money. Creating a cover can be done on your own apps or sites like Canva or Photoshop. Once you're done, smash that publish button. The best thing is that you get around 50 referral codes when you publish any book. Share them with your friends and family and get them to download your book for free. Remember, each download or purchase is counted as a sale, and you want to get as many sales as you can. The higher the purchases, the more likely for Audible to organically promote your book and fill up your pockets. Second, just be a narrator. Writing your own book definitely requires a lot more time and dedication. So instead, you could just lend your voice to other authors. The difference is here you need to give an audition and wait for the author to choose. But this way, you get paid upfront. Another more passive method is to take up projects and get paid in royalties. This generally takes longer and is more dependent on the success of the book, but hey, you never know. What if you end up recording for the next bestseller? You could also opt for a royalty plus upfront payment option if you think it works better for you. Basically, Audible gives you enough options to choose from. Third, affiliate marketing. This is a real simple, stress-free way of making some money. It takes barely any time or effort. All you need to do is to promote other people's work on your blog or your social media. For every sale that you provide, you get paid. It's a smaller amount of money, but hey, you're doing pretty much no work, so? Well, these are a few simple ways to make money from Audible. Remember, if you do choose to narrate, invest in some good equipment, like mic to start with. It'll definitely come in handy. You can also find short and simple vocal warm-ups online that would definitely help you before you start recording. If you do decide to become a publisher or a narrator, you could always partner up with other businesses or creators on social media to drive up your sales. It helps them as well, and who doesn't like a win-win situation, right? Now go out there and record away. Oh hey, wait, before you go, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't. We'll be creating more cool content like this just for you. Also, if you do have anything specific you would like us to cover on our channel, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, just hustle!